Hi, today we'll talk about that JavaScript, the majorly asking the interview questions. So one is an higher order function, and what is this keyword with the global and local scope of this keyword, and what is the double equal to and triple equal to, which one is faster in the JavaScript compiling, and the next one is call apply bind, and the next one is a generator function. So we'll talk about these things in this video. So if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and let's see the example now. So what is the higher order function? The function inside another function, and returning the one more function and call execute of this after of that function is nothing but a higher order function. We'll see the example now. See, now I calling the higher order function name, and I'm passing that a function the param, like you can call it as like function of log console log or some printing test. So like this, you take the function and return the function and execute it outer or inside the higher order function and call it a one more function. So like this, nothing but it's an higher order function. So you can execute anywhere in the script file. So the next one is what is this? This keyword. This keyword is nothing but so we'll see one more example of call apply bind. Okay, so here I think it's not there. Let's see here only. So like if you're writing one function, so you can see it like this function, it will not call the global window of this will call as the function this keyword, this object only. So if you execute for any object like mm, consider create a one object, const object as like name and Ravi, then call this function like function, and a function of this return like this dot name. It will not call the global this keyword, though it will call as an this the object of this keyword. It will take a property like log execute it. Let's object dot function. So this one is path is higher order function and node index.js. I comment this. See, function is executed, right? So this is returning the function, and see now name is printing. So like this is the keyword. So if you accessing this object here, so it will call as a global one. See like this, and the next one is call apply and bind. So here you can see is a call. So the function we have to call and pass this argument as an object, and param is called comma separated, and accessing to this arguments. So this dot hey we can create an object like this, and this will accessing here, and argument as this one, and this is a comma separated object is nothing but this object is this dot a, right? It will get an access of this one. So let's point it to cd callback bind apply and node index.js. See, now it is printing us this one, right? 1.1, and this is not, this is printing because we have to call of this is an object we are passing, and argument we are passing as this one. So like object, this is the one object, so we are pointing to console. Yeah. So see, now it is getting right. The argument as this, and the bind apply also, it is the same as the call, and we have to pass it as an array separated. Yeah. So argument as an array. So the bind and is nothing but we have to pass the same thing, but the bind it will return a function. We have to execute it later point of view. So yeah, that's it. I think. So what is the generator function? Generator function is nothing but we have to use the function keyword, the star. So it is wherever we need to stop, or we can execute whenever it was stopped. So we can continue to executing the script. So like this, we have to use the generator function. So like this, the yield it will call to the generator function. We have to use the next method, so it will keep on calling the how many we have to use that yield, so it will call